This is a video for input validation using an array. So what we want to do is to store 5 numbers in an array, but those numbers must be between 1 and 6. This is the second way of doing it. So we start off with the block of code we need to just enter 5 numbers in the array. So we set up the array up the top here. We're using a for loop to step through each part, and we're going to get the details. So if I run that, you can see that we take the numbers, 5 numbers in, but these could be any numbers. So we want to restrict it so that it's only between 1 and 6. So to do that, what we're going to do is use input validation. And the input validation we're going to use for this is area, which is ask, repeat, error, ask. So we start off, we've got the ask in place. Okay. We're then going to repeat. So while number index is less than 1, or number index is greater than 6. So ask, repeat, error, print. Ask. I'm just going to copy this block of code to see if we have to retype it. Sort of indentation. So we've got ask, repeat, error, ask. So now if we run the program, we should be able to enter the numbers 1 to 6 as normal. But if we try and step outside that, we get the following error. Now it doesn't matter how many times I put a number that's beyond the value, I still only can enter the 5 numbers in the array. Okay, so there you go. Version 2, input validation. We've got the same bit, we're using the loop. But now what we're doing is we're using the area validation, which is ask, repeat, error, ask. Hope you find it useful.